Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I've been showing you the best indicator on TradingView. It is called the Signaler. There is currently a 7-day free trial going on, so you're not going to want to miss this. In previous videos, I've shown you how to take trades on the 15-minute, on gold, on Bitcoin, and today I'm going to show you a little scalping one that I took on the 3-minute on gold this morning. Now, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump to the charts. So guys, as you can see, we are on gold and we are on the 3-minute time frame. Now, if you do want to add the indicator on, it is in the invite only. It is down here, the signaler. Once you've got your free trial, you can get that on your chart. And as I've shown you in previous videos, there are tons of settings. Go ahead, watch my previous videos, and you can see me running through the settings in there. Obviously, I'll go through them quicker now. You have the dashboard. I choose not to have it on. It takes up screen space. I don't need it. You have S trading, you have S engineering, you have SZ engineering. Obviously, you can show the take profit, stop loss. If you want to take these off and just use it for a technical analysis tool instead, that's fine. Today, I'm going to be showing you some of the signals that it gives. Obviously down here, EMAs, fair value gaps, auto fibs, RSIs, kill zones, support and resistance, VWAP, super trend, Bollinger Band, supply and demand, range filter, volume profile. This indicator has so much for everyone, and whether you're trading smart money concept or ICT teachings, then you can sort of tailor it to how you want it. It's an indicator with so much that you can tailor to your trading style. Our sponsor today is helping people scale their privacy online. Now, if you're trying to automate your business online, then you are going to need a proxy. Proxy for You is the best and by far the most reasonable proxy provider out there in the market today. You get fast, reliable proxies with unlimited bandwidth. Whether you're scraping bots or just browsing, it is perfect for you. Go to Proxy for You today with all the links that you need in the description below. What do you say? Let's get back to the video. Further down, you obviously have all the settings where you can have on, off, daily, weekly, 4-hour. These basically show you your swing points and relevant liquidity levels. Prior day high, prior day low. You can have them on moving averages, whatever you want. You can tailor this to your own experience. But today I'm going to be showing you just a smart money concept way of using the structure points to trade with the flow of the market. And as you can see on the 3-minute, we had a chalk plus, which basically means that the swing on the 3-minute is bullish, right? And the minor chalk here, the boss, these are all the market structure within that leg. So as you know, we like to trade with the flow of the market. So we had a bigger leg break bullish. We've had our pullback. So at this point, I'm just looking for a buy trade to complete the Dorito, as I like to call it, which is just triangles, right? So I'd ideally like to be taking profit here, my stop loss behind here, and just bag a quick trade. Now, this was this morning. I took this on my personal account, and it was a nice quick 1-to-1. So to walk you through this, right, as I said, bigger break bullish, pullback, looking for a buy trade. The candles have turned blue, which indicates that we are now bullish. So clicking on, you can see another good candle here, and this is when it gives you my entry. Now, the signals are basically work off volume, right? So at this point, I put my entry here and I put my stop loss here. Now, the stop loss is based on an ATR, which is the average true range. So if you imagine a Bollinger Band just showing the average range, the volatility of the market, as I said, it's based on a volume profile. So quick 1-to-1 here, entry there, stop loss there, nice and easy on the 3-minute. And as you can see, start playing it out, comes back a bit, which is fine, before it starts to push up, and it went on to hit my take profit pretty quickly. Now, the TPs are based on 1R, 2R, and 3R. So not much deep about that, just pretty simple, 1R, 2R, 3R, stop loss based on an average true range. Now, as this is the 3-minute time frame, these are scalps, so bigger picture doesn't massively play out here, but it is very quick scalps for me. And as I said, I would have liked to have taken profit on this line, but I'm shooting for a 1-to-1, so it's fine. So risk 1%, gain 1%. If I'm on £1,000 personal account and I'm risking 1%, I'm risking £10, I've made £10. That's basically how this works. If you're trading £100,000 account, you've gone and made £1,000 on that account. Super simple, guys. Now, like I said, 7-day free trial. As you can see here, you just go ahead, start free trial, type in some of your details, and you'll have access to this indicator. And as I said, it's a very versatile indicator. There's a lot going on. There's a lot you can tailor into your own way. And if you think about TradingView, you know, a lot of you will have a lot of indicators on your chart. You'll just need one, tailor it as you like it, and that's all you'll need. Once you start seeing the profits roll in, you're going to want to sign up to the lifetime, which right now is over 50% off, which is obviously ideal because that's not going to stay like that forever. So now's a really good time to get it. You'll have it forever. And obviously you can start making profits and it'll pay for itself. You know, you have a good enough account that can be bought back in one trade. It's not a problem. So get your 7-day free trial, try it, then grab the lifetime. All the links you need are in the description below, so you don't have to go very far to do this. It can be done in less than 5 minutes. So as you can see, guys, this indicator is very versatile. I've shown you a couple ways to use it, and I've shown you how to scalp it as well today. So as I said before, 7-day free trial, the links are in the description below, so go ahead, click those, get involved, and then don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can be alerted on my next video.